Hi guys, let's go opening my letter dumpling. This is my favorite part. Let's go. My name is Aubrey Jumpy Clavicrits. Bakung babae. Let's go opening my letter dumpling. Let's go. I want to blur later. I want a real one. Go opening my letter dumpling. I'm so shocked because this is so look ugly. Go. Okay, I'm close my eyes and I can see.
Guys,
I want a rare, please guys, rare. Okay, let's open.
No. Kasi guys,
Let's go, guys, let's go. I want a rare, I want a rare. Let's go, open him. Let's
In
go.
again, hindi ko pa siya nakita.
Let's go. Open.
I close my eyes.
Let's go. What is the white? I don't like it, but this is so cute.
What is this? This is so look ugly. Why don't look face? Look ugly. Go away. Joke, it's okay. So cute. I don't like it. I make my show power. So cute, look. She broke it. No. Because look guys, ang cute niya. I wanna rare. Guys, I don't like it. Pangalawa na tayo mag-open. Where's my pangalawa?
I hate
Where's my pangalawa, guys? Asan yung ating pang 2 na Mr. Dumpling? Nasaan? Ito. Ayan guys, ito yung pangalawa natin. Please, I wanna rare one. Please, guys, please. Okay, go open it. Please.
Hey,
Unclose my eyes, okay? What is this? Oh, in again. I don't like it. Because this is so look. I don't like.
Murder yan, bunakin yan.
So guys, sana yung pangatlo yung ay, sabi. I want. Tatapon ko na to.
Makulit ka, bahala ka dyan.